This is a video tutorial on quadrilaterals. Now, have you heard a term called quad-core processor in case of mobile or a laptop? The term quad-core stands for 4-core. So, a processor having 4 core is termed as quad-core. That quad and this quad both are same. Quad means 4. So, quadrilateral is a geometrical figure which is bounded by 4 straight lines. For example, if I draw a figure like this, now this is a quadrilateral. 4 sides. Now if 4 sides, it simply means 4 internal angles also. And there is one more term which is known as diagonal. These two, this will match here. So a line matching point A and C and B and D, these two are diagonals intersecting each other. Let's name the point as O. So a quadrilateral having 4 sides, 4 internal angles and 2 diagonals. What about the value of all the internal angles added together? Now, to find the value of all the internal angles, we can use the formula 2n minus 4 into 90 degree from polygons, where n is number of sides. So if n is 4, 4 into 2, 8 minus 4, 4, 4 into 90, 360. Means all the angles of a quadrilateral adds to 360 degree. Otherwise, what we can do, we can consider triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, all the internal angles 1, 2 and 3 will add to 180 degree. And similarly, 1, 2 and 3 of this triangle will add to 180 degree. Means two triangles ABD, BCD. So 180 plus 180 resulting to 360 degree. So all the internal angles of a quadrilateral adding to 360 degree. What if now there is no side among this quadrilateral are parallel, no pair of sides, or none of these are equal at present. What if one pair of side becomes parallel? For example, if we have a quadrilateral like this, A, B, C and D, where AD is parallel to BC. This symbol, this arrow symbol, represents that these two lines are parallel. So a figure where one set of lines parallel is known as trapezium. So the first type of quadrilateral is trapezium, or we call it trapezoid also. So only one thing, one pair of lines parallel. Now, what if the other set AB and DE, if these two are equal? In a quadrilateral ABED, if one set of lines parallel and other lines are equal, in that case this is known as isosceles trapezium, where these two base angles are equal, these two angles are equal, and the diagonals are of equal length. Means AE and BD both are equal, but they don't bisect, they intersect. Bisect means OB and OD same, but here they don't bisect, they intersect at O. So this is an isosceles trapezium. What if both the pair of sides are parallel? If we extend it to a quadrilateral where this side is parallel to this side and this one is parallel to this one. Means a quadrilateral having two pair of parallel sides. Such quadrilateral is known as parallelogram. Now, so if it is this way, in case of parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Number one, opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So, this will be equal to this and this side will be equal to this side. Angles equal. At the same time, diagonals bisect each other. They intersect, but at the same time, they bisect. Bisect means these two are same and these two are same. Means OB to OD are equal, OC to OA are equal. So, this is a parallelogram. So, in case of parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and opposite angles are equal. Now, what if this adjacent sides are equal? In case of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. But my point is, what if adjacent sides are equal? If adjacent sides are equal, or any one of or these two diagonals bisect at 90 degree, two possibilities. Angle bisecting at 90 degree or adjacent sides equal. This parallelogram will become a rhombus. So that is our third type of quadrilateral, which is nothing but special case of a parallelogram. Okay. Now, what if any one angle 90 degree in parallelogram? If any angle 90 degree or these two diagonals are equal, if these two diagonals are equal or any one angle 90 degree, then we will get our next type, which is a rectangle. Fifth, adjacent sides equal, so automatically all sides equal, and diagonals are perpendicular to each other. This is a case of rhombus. If diagonals are equal, it's a case of rectangle. What if diagonals are equal also, perpendicular also? If the diagonals are equal also and perpendicular also, then it is a square. Or in case of rhombus, if any one angle 90 degree. In case of rhombus, because in rhombus, all four sides are already equal. So if any one angle 90 degree, rhombus will become a square. In case of rectangle, because in rectangle diagonals are equal, but they are not bisecting at 90 degree. If diagonals of a rectangle bisect at 90, they will become square. So how a parallelogram becomes rhombus, rectangle and square, we will study in session 3 of this video. Okay. Now come back to this. After this, we have a next type which is known as kite. Now, among these 6 types, there is only one type of kite where there is no side parallel. For example, if we have a quadrilateral like this, where these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal, means adjacent sides are equal but all sides are not equal. Such type of figure is known as kite. Here, these two diagonals again intersect at 90, where these two parts of diagonal are equal, but these two parts are not equal. So OA is not equal to OC, but OB is equal to OD. And in the meantime, angle B is equal to angle D, but angle A is not equal to angle C. So this is a kite. Kite, only difference with other five, no pair of side parallel. Okay. Now, so far we have seen there are 6 types of quadrilaterals, and out of this, in the next session, in second, this entire quadrilateral we will cover in 11 sessions. The first one was the introduction that we have done. In second, we will go about how a quadrilateral it becomes parallelogram. In third session, we will go with parallelogram becoming a rhombus, rectangle, or a square. In fourth session, it will be trapezium versus kite. In fifth session, we will talk about perimeter and area. In sixth session, we will talk about the questions of parallelogram and so on. So the entire quadrilateral will be covered in 11 sessions. See you in second session of quadrilateral. Thank you.